In the vast landscape of computer networking, the journey begins with network end devices, the essential players in our digital world. These devices, computers, smartphones, tablets, printers, and smart TVs, serve as the primary points of iCile. No avatar interaction, sending and receiving data that fuels our daily activities. Imagine a bustling cafe where people are typing away on laptops, streaming videos on tablets, or printing documents. Each device is a unique endpoint, contributing to the flow of information. However, this flow wouldn't be possible without intermediary devices, the unsung heroes of networking. Routers, switches, hubs, and firewalls act as the traffic managers of the digital realm, directing data where it needs to go. They ensure that the information reaches its destination efficiently and securely. Picture a busy intersection where traffic lights and signs guide vehicles. Similarly, these intermediary devices orchestrate the movement of data, preventing congestion and ensuring that everything runs smoothly. To understand how data navigates through this intricate system, we must differentiate between media and medium. The medium refers to the physical pathways, wires, cables, and wireless signals through which data travels. In contrast, the media encompasses the actual data itself, the bits and bytes that convey messages, images, and videos. Think of the medium as the roads and highways that connect cities, while the media is the vehicles filled with passengers, each carrying a unique story. When these four elements, end devices, intermediary devices, media, and the medium, work in harmony, the result is a seamless experience for users. Consider a scenario where someone streams a movie on their smart TV. The TV end device sends a request through a router, intermediary device, over a fiber optic cable, medium, while the streaming data, media, zips along this path. Just like a well-coordinated highway system, this network ensures that information flows freely and efficiently, connecting us all in the digital age.